Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to show you can easily unhide sheets in Google Sheets. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just have like this here, and I will click here. I will just rename it. Okay, I will click on it, hide sheet, and now what I'm going to do, I will click here on view, and you will see it here, hidden sheets 1 or 2. Okay, I will click another one, and voila, here I got it, and I will just delete it. Right, and delete. So this is how we actually do it. It's really simple, really cool, and that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe, know how it goes. If you have any other questions about how to use Google Sheets, I'm happy to help you. I create plenty of tutorials and videos, and that's kind of it. So